Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you every details in which I achieved this micro twist. So if you are new here, you're highly welcome. Please do wait to click on the subscription box below this video to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. But if you're already my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumb. Also share your comment in the comment section down below. Let's reason with you and share your thoughts concerning the whole process. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. The kinky I am using today is Expression product. And this particular kinky is 4 bundles in one pack. So I'm going to be cutting each bundle into 3 because my client doesn't want it that long. After cutting it, I brush it a little to detangle it so that it can be easy for me to use. Remember, this is not human hair kinky, it's normal regular bouncing kinky. If it's human hair kinky, it will be much easier to wet it and detangle it. The time right now is 10 minutes past 9 a.m. and I've started the hair already, and you can see how short the hair is. She's on low cut with an Baker short hairstyle. So this is me trying to part the hair in a way that it will be easy for me to make. I have already applied a little gel on the hair, edge control precisely to smoothen the hair before parting it. And because of the shortness of the hair, I decided to braid it a little, then tie it a little and braid it again before twisting. The reason why I braid it after tying it again is because it's twisting, and this is a loose twisting. You know, if you don't braid it after tying it, its short hair is going to loosen, and when it loosens, it might pull out. As we are progressing, we are reaching the longer side, so this particular place from here now, I can decide to tie it before twisting, and I can also decide to braid and twist just like I'm doing right now. Okay, so from here now, I think I'm going to start braiding, then twist at once. Lest I forget, the hair I'm making is called micro twist. It's a very tiny hairstyle. The reason why it's even looking this big is because we zoomed the camera, but for real here is very tiny, very tiny. This my customer is a very funny person, you know. She's on low cut, so it's been long she made hair last. It's 3 p.m. now and she was complaining of sitting for long. She said after this hair she will definitely go back to her low cut. As light went off, we came outside the shop to continue the hair. So here is me making the final one, and it's already 8 p.m. I thank God that I am able to finish the hair by now, because it wasn't easy to handle those short ones at the beginning. I'm trimming out some wasted ones that we don't need at the tips. After that, I apply my styling mousse to keep the hair healthy and shining. If you look at her middle hair, you will find out that she's beginning to have bare hair in the middle there. And here is the final look, so I'm going to pack it for her. She said I should pack it for her, so that's what I'm going to do, to arrange it and pack it for her. What do you think about the hair? Please don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below, and also don't forget to click on the subscription box below to subscribe to my channel, and also give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. The next thing is to apply a little spirit gel on the scalp to help the edge control, just to make the scalp shine. And after that, the hair is done and dusted. Thank you so much for staying with me till this time. We have come to the end of this video. See you next time. Bye bye.